Checking out my friend's brand new 2017 Corvette Stingray. He finally got one. I think I might have inspired him. This one's the 2LT. It's got a couple more options than mine. This one has the heads-up display, heated and cooled seats. It also has 11 speakers versus mine only has 10. More adjustments in the seats. It also has front view camera and a couple other things. The one thing I wish mine had is the dual mode exhaust. I didn't get that, so that's one thing I wish I had in my car. Whenever I buy my next one, I'm gonna be sure I get the exhaust option. But yeah, definitely a nice color combination. I like the black wheels. I believe that was a $500 option. This one does not have the C51 package, but it's got the appearance package. So it's got the wing on the back. So yeah, the car was set up on sport mode all the time, so it would, but now we can have all the different modes, and then we can hear the difference in tone. So the car is pretty quiet. Now we change it to sport, becomes a little bit more aggressive. And my favorite is track, so we can hear the big difference in the sound. So now it's also got a indicator on top. Right now the car's not fully warm, so we don't want us to go over 4,500 RPMs until the oil temperature is warm. But that's definitely nice about having the different drive modes. So this is the stealth mode, the tour mode. So I'm gonna take it out for a drive. Good thing is I'm kind of used to driving a Corvette, so except that this one has a couple more options, brand new. I definitely like the heads-up display though, for sure. Pretty awesome. Let's put it on track just so we can hear the sound a little bit better. Just from having that exhaust, it makes you feel like you're going faster, like it's definitely makes an awesome sound with the performance exhaust. Have you played with the rev match yet?
Yes, I have some.
Now rev match does not work below 30 miles an hour, so if you're not going very fast, you want to take into consideration that rev match is not going to work below 30, so you don't want to just dump the clutch and then expect it to kick in, because you'll basically be forcing the gear in. there is just 3,500 RPMs. And I really like that heads-up display. It'll show your gear, your revolutions, even the G-forces. That way you don't take your eyes off the road and you can stay more focused. Now another thing that this car has is it has the magnetic ride control. So right now, me being in track mode, the car feels very stiff. Similar to my Maserati that has the same similar setup, but on theirs is called the Skyhook suspension. So on Sport, on both the Corvette and the Maserati, the suspension gets stiff. So going around corners, it handles better. So I can definitely feel a big difference versus my Corvette. That the road, I feel the bumps a lot more, but on the corners it does feel like it handles a lot better. Let's see what it does on tour. Tour, it should bring it to normal, so I should feel it smoothen up as soon as I put it on tour mode, which it actually does feel a lot more comfortable now that it's in tour mode. Yeah, so now that we're on tour mode, the suspension feels very smooth. The exhaust is also quiet, so it's like the best of both worlds. It's what's really amazing about this car. You're able to just cruise around and just chill whenever you want to, and then whenever you want to have a little bit of spirited driving around the side roads, you put it on track, and it just transforms its personality. So that's what's really awesome about this. So yeah, that was an awesome ride, getting to feel the difference between the mine that does not have the magnetic ride control, just getting to feel the drive of this one having the exhaust option versus mine that doesn't.